Namaskaram. Hello all. Welcome to Rupa Cloth Store. This is Arun. In today's session, we are going to see 10 yards semi-silk sarees. All these sarees resembles original Kanjivaram silk sarees, and you will have the same vibrant color combinations and with rich pallu. All these sarees comes with the price of 2600. Let's see the saree one by one. But before getting into this video, please subscribe Rupa Cloth Store, Nanganallur. The first saree we are going to see is a pink color saree, that is a patrose color with a green color combination. You can see the border, it's a jari border, it's a 7-inch border with half diamond pattern. You can have a closer look, it's a half diamond pattern. It exactly looks like silk saree, that is original Kanjivaram silk saree. The body goes plain. We can see the pallu. All the sarees comes with rich pallu, and especially this saree is a combination of green and pink color. Let's see the pallu, and it's a heavy jari with off diamond pattern all over the pallu. Let's see the pallu. It looks very grand, and this saree won't be flimsy. You can see it, and it's a budget friendly saree also. Cost of the saree will be 2600. Saree number 2 will be a maroon color saree with a purple color combination. As you can see, it's a 7-inch border with Mailkan pattern. You can see that Mailkan pattern. It looks very rich, and it's a contrast border. The body goes plain, and it is not a polyester mix. It's completely of art silk. See the pallu. The pallu is very rich, which has floral looks all over the pallu. You can see the floral looks, and it just contrast and looks superb. And all these sarees will not have blouses. If you like to place the order, you can contact the below WhatsApp number, or you can visit Rupa Cloth Store, Nanganallur directly to feel the saree, and you can also see more varieties. And price of this saree will be 2600. The next saree will be a cherry red color saree with a green color combination, and you will have 7-inch border with half diamond pattern, and you can see the pattern, it's a half diamond pattern, and the body goes plain. Let's see the pallu. The pallu is a rich pallu. As we said, it's a half diamond pattern all over the pallu. You can see all the threads. It's a completely hand woven saree. This green color and this cherry red combination will look extremely good. And if you want to convert this saree into ready-made badisar, both Iyer or Iyengar, you can make it on additional cost. Price of the saree will be 2600. Next saree is a semi-silk 10 yards baby pink color saree with green color border on it. You can see the jari. It's a half diamond pattern jari, and the body goes plain as usual, and you will have a rich pallu on it. You can see the pallu. It's a green and pink color combination. It's a half diamond pattern all over the pallu. The pallu is rich. These are the color combinations available in this lot. Some people may happen to watch this video later. That time these color combinations may change, or you can get the same color combinations. So you can please reach us if you are interested in these color combinations. And there is no blouse attached to all the sarees. As I said, it's not a polyester, and it's a art silk saree which resembles exactly like silk. Cost of the saree would be 2600. Next saree in this semi silk is a maroon and green color combination. We already saw a maroon color saree, that's maroon with violet combination, which has Mailkan Jari on it. But this saree comes with half diamond pattern on the border. You can see the border, it's a 7-inch border with half diamond pattern, and the body goes plain as usual. Look at the pallu. The pallu is rich as always. Pallu will have half diamond pattern all over. All these sarees can be shipped all over India and also overseas. People can use all the payment options like Google Pay or account transfer. People who live abroad can use MoneyGram and other options also. And the price of this saree would be 2600. Next one is a purple color saree with the green color combination. You will have half diamond pattern on the border, and the border will be 7-inch border. The body goes plain. Let's have a look at the pallu. The pallu will be green color with half diamond pattern all over, and the saree looks very rich and budget friendly also. You can see this combination. The combination will be very amazing, and we can use these sarees for all occasions like marriages, upanyasams, etc. And price of the saree will be 2600. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like all the collections, and we'll get back with another set of collections soon. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel, Rupa Cloth Store.